Everybody is looking for the next superfood. Well, say hello to custard apple. This fruit is about to blow your mind. First off, custard apples are packed with vitamin C and B6, which keep your immune system in top shape. Say goodbye to those pesky colds. And guess what? They're also loaded with fiber, keeping your digestion smooth and your tummy happy. Oh, and if you need a natural energy boost, this fruit's got you covered with plenty of iron. Plus, custard apples are rich in antioxidants which help fight off those nasty free radicals. Translation: healthier skin and a happier you. So next time you're at the store, grab a custard apple and give your health a tasty upgrade. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fruity facts.